Hello guys and welcome to TechRick's tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to slow down video in Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go here on the workspace that we want to edit. And then let's say for example that we want to edit this video right here. So let's say for example that you think that this video is too fast for your video and you want to slow it down. So all you have to do is to click this edit scene right here on the top of the video. And once you click it, you will now see the timeline of your video. And then just double click on the video and then scroll down until you see this media. So this is the video that we want to edit. So all we have to do is to go here on the top screen and then you will see this speed button. So once we click that, you will see that we can change it to 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, 1.25, and of course the normal one. So let's say for example that we want to change it to normal one. So all we have to do is to click it, and then as you can see right here, and then if we watch the video, as you can see, the video is now slowed down and it is now on the normal speed of the video. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching TechRick's tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.